What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install some Billetworkz Alcantara door pull straps for the 02 to 07 WRX and STI. Let's get into it. So the installation process is pretty simple. We have a strap already assembled here. You're going to receive this bag, which includes 4 new bolts and 2 spacers. You're going to replace the bolts that are already in the straps. And then these are our Alcantara covers that comes with the kit as well. For the install, you're going to need some tools like a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch wrench, and a 1/16 Allen key. To start the install and remove the door panel, there is a Phillips screw in here and a Phillips screw here. We're just going to go ahead and remove those. These screws are what holds on the door panel along with some clips. Once we get those Phillips screws removed, the next step, we're going to grab ourselves a pry tool and remove this piece here along with this piece here. And we do offer these on the site as well. So this piece was broken by the previous owner. We're just going to remove this. And there will be 2 plugs that you need to unplug. Be very careful. This is also super fragile. You're just going to work your pry tool around. There's a clip back here, and there's some clips that go around the door handle itself that might be a little tricky to get. Once you pop that off, that's out of the way. We can now move on to removing the entire door panel. If you go to the bottom, you can work your way around and pop out the clips, and then it will just slide off the sill itself. Since the screw is removed, the next step is just sliding the door handle to the left. To release it, you're going to lift up on this bracket here and slide it out from the lock, and then do the same on the bottom. And then to disassemble your OEM door handle, there's this pin here that slides down in. You're just going to simply punch that out from the bottom and then pull your door handle out. When doing this, just be sure to pull from this end because there's a spring in here and you don't want to catch your thumb. Now, I'm going to be installing the strap with our disassembled door handle. So before connecting any of these, this one here is for your lock assembly, and this is where your strap is going to be connected to. So in this opening here, we're going to slide our bottom piece through, which is where we're going to be connecting the strap. Now your Alcantara strap will already be assembled with some smaller bolts and some metal plates. We're going to remove them, pull them out from the straps. Now we can grab our bag of new hardware here, start with our metal plate and the 2 bolts and put it through the front side of the strap. Now with the heads of the bolt through the metal spacer and our Alcantara strap, we're going to go here and put it around this piece here. Next we can grab our metal spacer. That little divot is going to go towards the head of the bolts and around that bar like so. And now we can put on the other side of our strap in the metal spacer and get the nuts started. Once you have the nuts started, you can go ahead and spin your strap around and make sure you pull it down as far as you can against the bottom of this lever. Now we just need to tighten in our strap using our Allen key on the front and our 1/4-inch wrench to hold it on the back side. The next step is going to be sliding your handle back over and actually putting the strap through this opening here. Now we're going to grab our lock mechanism and put that back into its place through the top here, popping that into the lock, and then we can snap our door handle into place. We're now going to install our Alcantara cover, which sits here, and reinstall the rod that you removed. You might just have to shimmy it around to find where it goes through. You can just grab yourself something like a wrench to give it that extra push through the cover, and it will come to the bottom and hold that piece in there. Now, before reassembling the door, we can go ahead and install that Phillips screw that we removed. We can now pull it and make sure it functions as it should. Our lock should work as well. Now that our door handle is fully assembled, we can grab our door panel here and slide it back down into place and pop our clips in. And then to finish this off, you can just pop your trim back in around the door handle. Don't forget to connect your plugs for the windows and the lock mechanism. Slide that piece back in. And then to finish it off, you just need to install your last screw and everything is good to go. And your door pull strap will function just like your normal door handle, but look cooler. All right, guys, that does it for the Billetworkz Alcantara door pull strap install on the 02 to 07 WRX. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoy your new pull straps. Be sure to visit billetworkz.com for your next upgrade. We'll see you guys there.